Hi everybody, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make the 1/4 inch rolled hem. It's not really the baby hem, but it is still quite tiny. I have the foot on, the thread needs to go through that hole, so I'm just going to take a piece of fabric, hand crank the needle down once, and pull that thread out so that it'll start there. Now you want to always practice because this isn't the easiest thing in the world to do. So you want to test your fabric and test the angle of your grain line and make sure that you can get it to work before you go to your real fabric. So right here on this foot, there's this little guide that will help roll the fabric around. And then I'm going to have to just test it because we don't know if it's going to work right away. And you want to also keep your stitch length at the nice standard number 2 on the industrial, or the 12 stitches per inch. You can go smaller, but you want to be careful with your fabric that it doesn't tear. You see how it's turning it nice? So I guess for my fabric, I'm going to keep my finger down in here and kind of keep the fabric raised in the air a little bit. You don't want to stretch it either, otherwise you'll end up with a ruffled hem. And if you want a ruffled hem, then that's fine. And that's it. That's my 1/4 inch rolled hem.